ลองเปลี่ยน
One day, there were two people, a man and a woman who met at the restaurant at the first time. Firstly, they talked first thing about a shirt that the man wore on. He told the woman that he got his shirt from the weekend market with good price, which was $12 and not expensive at all. The woman expressed that she was very interested in his new style shirt that she liked. Secondly, they talked about the hat. The man expressed that liked to wear hats during winter when it was cold. Thirdly, they also talked about jewelry, which the man told the woman that he just had the necklace which his girlfriend gave to him. Finally, they talked about fashion, which was important to the man because he had a tattoo that was the big blue scary monster on his shoulder, but he did not have a pierced ear. In the end of the whole conversation, they were happy together.
បានកាន់តែប្រសើរជាងនេះសម័យនេះគឺបងប្អូនយកទៅឲ្យ AI ជួយបន្ថែមពីលើនឹងទៀតបើបងប្អូនគ្រូមិនឲ្យប្រើ AI ទេបងប្អូនកុំប្រើបើប្រើបងប្អូនថាធ្វើម៉េចធ្វើឲ្យតែការប្រកួតប្រជែងរបស់យើងបានល្អបងប្អូន copy ហ្នឹងទៅឲ្យ AI ជួយ improve ឲ្យទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងយករបស់យើងសិនផ្ញើ Here is my summary of the unit 4. The title of Unit 4 is something like Fashion. I like your styles. One day, the two people, a man and a woman who met at the restaurant at the first time. So firstly, they talk about shirt. Secondly, they talk about hat. Thirdly, they talk about jewelry. And finally, they talk about fashions. All right. Yeah. And finally, they were happy together. And you also can express what the answer of the man to the woman. For the shirt, the man, he got a shirt from the weekend market, which was $12. And hat, he liked to wear hat when it's cold in the winter times. Okay, and the third, he talked about jewelry. He only had a necklace that his girlfriend gave to him. And the last one, finally, he got a tattoo on his shoulder, but he did not have a pierced ear at all. They were happy together. That is the whole story. ចឹងបងប្អូនចង់ថាខ្ញុំចង់បានទៀតចឹងបងប្អូនមកកាន់តែពិសេសទៀតបងប្អូនចូលមក AI អស់កន្លែងខុសហើយនេះសាមញ្ញបំផុតប៉ុណ្ណឹងហៅសង្ខេបបងប្អូន
Option 1. Simple and natural. One day, a man and a woman met at a restaurant for the first time. First, they talked about the man's shirt. He told her he bought it at a weekend market for only $12. The woman really liked his style. Next, they talked about hats. The man said he liked wearing them in the winter to stay warm. Then, they talked about jewelry. The man showed her a necklace that his girlfriend gave him. Finally, they discussed fashion. The man explained that fashion was important to him. He had a big tattoo of a blue monster on his shoulder, but he did not have any piercings. By the end of the conversation, they were both very happy.
Good នេះដោយរបស់យើងទាំងអស់ក៏នៅវាកែទៅលក្ខណៈ simple វិធីសាស្ត្រនៃការសង្ខេបគឺអស់ហើយសង្ខេបអស់សមត្ថភាពគឺប៉ុណ្ណឹង All right yes goodbye now everyone អ្នកណាស្ម័គ្រចិត្តបងប្អូនអានហើយអានរបស់លោកគ្រូនេះណាហើយនិយាយដោយមិនបាច់អានដំបូងអានបន្ទាប់មកនិយាយ Okay ចាំអនុវត្តស្អែកបងប្អូនអត់អីទេ Okay goodbye now everyone see you at the same time tomorrow good night លាណាបងប្អូន យឺតទេអាយអត់អីទេប៉ុន្តែគ្រូឲ្យតែគន្លឹះសង្ខេបអស់ហើយ